Planning to send money abroad? Most people don't realize there are clear rules under India's Liberalized Remittance Scheme or LRS. Let's break it down in simple terms. What is LRS? It allows every Indian resident, even minors, to send up to $250,000 abroad in a single financial year. This limit covers two big categories. First, current account expenses like education, overseas travel, medical treatment, or maintenance of relatives. Second, capital account uses like investing in foreign shares, buying property abroad, or even setting up a company overseas. But here's a key point: only individuals can use LRS. Corporates, partnership firms, trusts, or Hindu undivided families cannot. Compliance essentials. Now here's where compliance becomes critical. PAN is mandatory. Every rupee you remit is tracked against your PAN across banks. Form A2 is compulsory. This is your declaration form where you mention the purpose, amount, and your earlier remittances for the year. And don't ignore purpose codes. These codes decide how your transaction is classified and also which TCS rate applies. New rules April 2025. From April 1st, 2025, fresh TCS rules come in. For education funded by a loan, TCS is 0. For self-funded education or medical treatment, there is no TCS up to 10 lakh rupees. Beyond that, 5% applies. For overseas tour packages, TCS is 5% up to 10 lakh and 20% beyond that. For investments, gifts, or buying property abroad, there is no TCS up to 10 lakh, but once you cross that limit, the rate is 20%. And remember, TCS is not an extra tax. It's simply advance tax collected at the time of remittance. And you can claim it as a credit or refund while filing your income tax return. What you cannot do. But not everything is allowed under LRS. You cannot use it for gambling, lottery, or forex margin trading. You cannot remit money to FATF blacklisted countries. And resident-to-resident transfers in foreign currency are also not permitted. So whether it's education, investments, or family expenses, sending money abroad can be smooth if you know the rules. Subscribe for more insights. Stay informed, stay compliant.